National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Vermilion to Geneva on the Lake Ohio until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater 10 nautical miles northeast of Avon Point, moving east at 40 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday morning for northeast Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania.